Hey y'all, it's Melissa, your major organizer, San Antonio franchise owner again. And if you have children, getting them to clean and organize their room can be a little bit of a challenge. In fact, it might look a little something and sound a little something like this. Hey Willie Mae, you want to clean and organize your room?
No!
One of the ways that you can get your children involved in cleaning and organizing the room is setting a time limit. Cleaning your whole room can be overwhelming, especially when you're 8 or 9 years old. So setting a time limit for 15 minutes and picking one area to clean or organize. Maybe it's their bookshelf or dresser drawers, or maybe it's their Pokemon cards or Shopkins, and sit with them and help them go through and make those decisions if they're going to keep something or if they're ready to let go of it and pass it on to maybe another child who might enjoy it. Read that book that was given to them for their last birthday. Cuddle with their stuffy with them as you think of happy memories. Make the process fun and engaging, and before you know it, your time is up and you've accomplished cleaning up and organizing one area. And then celebrate with your child. Thank them for taking the time to clean up that one area. By praising them for doing that little part, it will encourage them to continue to do it. And maybe the next time you go into their room, they might be cleaning and organizing on their own. Or maybe not. Hey, Willie, should we read a book?
Yeah.
Which book do you want to read?
Too many toys.
Too Many Toys.